Hello everyone, today we will be looking at GoDaddy Bookkeeping tutorial for beginners. If you are just starting your business or managing your finances, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, GoDaddy Bookkeeping is here to make everything a lot easier. Whether you are a small business owner, freelancer, or side hustler, GoDaddy Bookkeeping can help you stay on top of your financials with ease. Setting up your GoDaddy Bookkeeping account. The first thing you will need to do is sign up for a GoDaddy bookkeeping account. Step 1. Go to the website. Head over to GoDaddy Bookkeeping on your web browser. You'll be prompted with an option to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Step 2. Choose your plan. GoDaddy Bookkeeping has different plans depending on your needs. So pick the one that suits your situation. You can start with a free trial to explore the features, or select a paid plan if you are ready to commit. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will go with the basic plan. Step 3. Create an account. Once you have selected your plan, sign up by entering your email, creating a password, and confirming your account. After this, you will have access to the GoDaddy Bookkeeping dashboard where all the magic happens. Navigating the dashboard. Once you log in, you will land on the dashboard, which serves as your main hub. Here, you can see a summary of all your financial activities in one place. Let me walk you through the key sections. Income Overview. On the left, you will see your total income for the current period. This will display the money you have earned from your business, whether it is from sales, clients, or other revenue streams. Expenses Overview. In the middle, you will see a breakdown of your expenses. This could include things like office supplies, subscription services, or advertising costs. Tracking your expenses is crucial for understanding where your money is going. Net profit. At the bottom, you will see your net profit, which is the difference between income and expenses. This will show you whether your business is operating at a profit or a loss. Tax summary. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find an overview of your taxes owed or taxes collected, depending on the nature of your business. The dashboard makes it easy to get a snapshot of your financials at glance, which is super helpful for small business owners who need to stay on top of everything. Adding your transactions. Adding your financial transactions is the core of using GoDaddy Bookkeeping. You'll be entering your expenses, income, and other transactions manually, or you can sync your bank accounts for automatic updates. Let's start with manually adding transactions. Step 1. Adding an income transaction. To add an income transaction, click the Add Transaction button on the dashboard. From there, you will see options for income and expense. Select income if you are tracking money that came into your business. Now enter the details of the transaction. Amount. How much was the income? Date. When did you receive it? Category. Choose the category this income falls under. Example, sales, consulting, etc. Client name. Optional. If this income is associated with a specific client, you can add their name. Once you have filled in the information, click Save and your income will be recorded. Step 2. Adding an expense transaction. The process for adding expenses is similar. Click on Add Transaction and select Expense this time. You will need to input the following details. Amount. How much did you spend? Date. When did the expense occur? Category. Choose the category. Example, office supplies, marketing, utilities, etc. Vendor name. Optional. If the expense is tied to a specific vendor or supplier, you can add their name here. Once entered, click Save, and this will track your expense. By manually adding your transactions, GoDaddy Bookkeeping will categorize them properly and give you a clear overview of your financials. Syncing bank accounts. One of the most convenient features of GoDaddy Bookkeeping is the ability to sync your bank accounts so transactions automatically update. Step 1. Connect your bank. Go to the Bank Accounts section and click Connect Bank. You'll be prompted to select your bank from a list of supported financial institutions. Enter your login credentials for your bank account. Step 2. Automatic syncing. Once connected, GoDaddy Bookkeeping will automatically sync transactions from your bank account. This eliminates the need to manually enter every single transaction. Step 3. Categorize transactions. Once your transactions are synced, GoDaddy Bookkeeping will automatically pull them into your dashboard. like magic, but with less sparkles. You will still need to categorize each one, but don't worry, it is a quick and painless process. Simply go through your recent transactions. Pick the right category, no pressure. It is like choosing toppings for your pizza. And click confirm. This ensures everything is properly tracked and organized so you can get back to focusing on more important things, like figuring out what to do with all that extra time you just saved. Tip: you can also link credit card accounts to automate the entry of business related credit card charges. Generating reports. Now that your transactions are added and categorized, let's look at how to generate reports. Reports are useful for understanding your financial health and also for tax purposes. Step 1. Go to the Reports section. From the main dashboard, click on the Reports tab. This will take you to the page where you can generate various types of reports for your business. Step 2. Generate a profit and loss report. One of the most important reports is the profit and loss (P&L) statement. This report shows your income, expenses, and profit over a selected period. Simply choose the date range, and GoDaddy Bookkeeping will generate a P&L for that period. You can export the report to PDF or Excel for your records to share it with your accountant. Step 3. Generate a tax report. For tax reason, you will want to generate a tax report. This report summarizes your sales tax and other tax-related information, making it easier to file taxes. Select the tax report option, choose your tax period, and generate the report. GoDaddy Bookkeeping also offers other handy reports, like balance sheets, sales reports, and expense reports, giving you deeper insights into your business. It is like having a financial crystal ball, but without the mystical vibes, just real, actionable data to help you make smarter decisions and keep your business running smoothly. Sending invoices. GoDaddy Bookkeeping also allows you to send invoices directly to your clients. Step 1. Create an invoice. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices section and click Create New Invoice. Add the client's name, the services or products provided, and the payment's terms. You can also add taxes or discounts if applicable. Step 2. Send the invoice. Once your invoice is created, you can either download it to send manually or send it directly from the GoDaddy Bookkeeping platform. You can email the invoice to your client directly from the system. Step 3. Track payments. Once your client pays the invoice, mark it as paid in the system. GoDaddy Bookkeeping will update your financial records automatically. Mobile access. If you're on the go, GoDaddy Bookkeeping has a mobile app for both Android and iOS that lets you manage your finances from anywhere. You can add transactions, view reports, and send invoices directly from your phone. Whether you are at a client meeting or on a business trip, the app keeps your bookkeeping up to date, so you never miss a thing and can stay organized on the move. So that's a complete beginner's guide to GoDaddy's bookkeeping. We've covered everything from setting up your account to adding transactions, syncing bank accounts, generating reports, and even sending invoices. With this tool, you can simplify your bookkeeping, stay organized, and focus more on growing your business. If you're just getting started, I highly recommend trying out the free trial to get a feel for how everything works. Once you're comfortable, Once you are comfortable, you can upgrade to a paid plan for even more features. And that's all there is. And that's all there is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.